Hello students, today I am going to teach 6th standard maths chapter 1 exercise 1.3. Third question, the number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1000, 200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200 respectively. You find how many people visited the library in the last 5 months. Here last 5 month data is given. You find the total number of people visited the library in the last 5 months. So you first find the first month data is 1200 plus 2000 plus 2450 plus 3060 plus 3200. Just add the numbers. Here 0. So the answer is 0. So next 5 plus 6, what is the answer? 11. So carrying 1. Next 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So next one, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So how many peoples? So 11,910 peoples. Fourth question. Charan had a bank saving of rupees 7,50,250. He withdraw 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. Here total saving amount is given. So withdraw amount is given. You find the balance amount. So balance mean you should subtract the answer. This is 7,50,250. Subtract from 5,34,500. So subtraction only here 0, 0, 0 only. Here also 5 minus 0, 5. So 2 minus 5 is not possible. So carrying here only, this is 0 only. So carrying from here only. So here carrying means this is 4. So this is the 10 only. So from 10 only carrying here. So this is 9. This is 12. So 12 now 12 minus 5. What is the answer? 7. Next 9 minus 4. So the answer is 5. 4 minus 3. The answer is 1. 7 minus 5. The answer is 2. What is the balance amount? Rupees 2,15,750. Question. In a cycle factory, 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Here what is given? So per day 1,560 cycles are manufactured. You find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So 25 days means you should multiply the number. So 1,560 multiplied by 25. So what is the answer here? 5 into 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. Carrying 3 here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. Carrying 2. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So next one. 2 into 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. So balance 1. Again 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Balance 1. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now add the number 0. Again 0. So 8 plus 2, 10. Balance 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 3. So what is the answer? So 39,000 cycles were manufactured in 25 days. Sixth question. 62,500 was equally distributed as a New Year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? Here what is given? Total amount distributed is 62,500. Number of employees received bonus 25 employees. You have to find the amount received by one employee. So total amount is given So received employee number of employees 25. You have to find the one employee received amount is find out. So 62,500 divided by 25. So here division only. So 25 table how many times? 2 25s are, you know, 2 25s are 50. Next, what is the balance amount? 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 5, 1. So next number 5. Again 5 25s are 125. What is the balance amount? 125 minus 125, 0. So last 2 0 is there, just to write 2 0. So amount received by one employee is 2,500. What is the amount? So each employee received the amount is 2,500 rupees. Before we move on the 7th questions, now let's learn the order of operations. The rule of order of operations is called BIDMAS or BODMAS. In BIDMAS, the operations done from left to right. Here B stands for bracket, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for additions and S for subtractions. Here first to do any brackets only. So second one followed by any indices. So indices means this is the square root only. So you will learn it later. So third one left to right do any division and multiplications. So the last preference to left to right do additions and subtractions. So we try to solve 7th question by using BIDMAS rule. 7th question, simplify the following numerical expression. The first question, 10 plus 17 divided by 3. You already know the BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, the first preference to bracket only. So first you find the inner bracket only. What is the answer? 10 plus 17. What is the answer? 27. So the first bracket is over. Now divide by 3. So divide by 3 means 27 divided by 3. So 27. So divide by 3 means divide by 3. So 3 tables 27 how many times? 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27. So 9 divided by 1 is 9 only. So denominator 1 no value. So the answer is 9. 7. Second one, 12 minus of 3 minus of 6 minus of 5 minus 1. Here 3 bracket is given. You first preference to innermost bracket. First you complete the innermost bracket. First you complete. So what is the answer? 12, write as it is, minus 3 minus 6, write as it is, minus. Now 5 minus 1, what is the answer? 5 minus 1 is 4. Next you find the innermost bracket. 12 minus 3 minus, so 6 minus 4, what is the answer? 2. Next you find the third bracket. First find the answer. 12 minus 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. So again you find out 12 minus 1, the answer is 11. So here 3 bracket is given. First you find the first bracket, 5 minus 1, the answer is 4. So next you combine 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. Again you combine 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. So 12 minus 1, the answer is 11. So 1 by 1 you finish the answer. The question, third one. So here numerical expression is given. Here also we have to apply the BODMAS rule. So in BODMAS rule, first preference to innermost bracket. So write as it is 100 plus 8. First you should find the innermost bracket. So innermost bracket is 3 2s are, what is the answer? So first you have to find this one. So 3 2s are 6 minus 6 divided by 2. So in BODMAS rule, so next your preference to division only. Next you find the value 6 divided by 2. So 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 6 minus here next you find the 6 divided by 2. The answer is in 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times only. So 3. So next one 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus so 6 minus 3. What is the answer? 3. So in Bodmer's rule, the first preference to division only. First you complete the division part. So 100 plus 8 divided by 2. What is the answer? In 2 table 8 how many times? 4 times. 4 plus 3. Now add the addition only. So add the number. So 100 plus 4, 104. So 104 plus 3, 107. So this is the answer. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.